We were happily surprised that we marbled some of the frosting and it turned out really pretty.
Don't squeeze, just press down, no squeezing. I've never done this before, so.
It's on that side, all the way up. Let's get going on it, girl.
I'm MK and this is my mom.
Hi.
She had a successful bakery for 13 years and today she's gonna show me how to make some organic sugar cookie dough.
We're gonna add the butter. I cut it in cubes because it's chilly here.
I put all the ingredients and the recipe in the description box.
You're gonna cream it on high.
I've never done this before, so.
It's on that side, all the way up. All right, so turn it off. Get the spatula and scrape down the sides. This feels soft.
I guess so, yeah.
I kind of butter and sugar together.
Okay.
No, just pour it in. We start it slow so sugar doesn't go flying. Well, let's get going on it, girl. Oh, a month that says 8. Okay, so now scrape down again.
I put all the ingredients and tools in my Walmart store as well.
Those cute little jackets from there. Can I get in there?
Yes, Mother.
Here, give me this one. Okay, lower it down.
Bill. Excuse me, I'm gonna get the dog. Come on, let's go.
In a true lab fashion, he ate a whole cube of butter I had out, softening. I'm gonna start the... It's 1 egg, teaspoon of vanilla.
Slow.
Yeah. Get it nice and fluffy. Let KitchenAid do its job. Why don't you put the baking powder in there and just toss it lightly with that fork. Let's scrape down real quick and then we're gonna add the flour like 1 cup at a time. Because it's kind of a stiff dough, so it's ready to work right.
It says 1/3 of a cup.
So do 3 of them because that'll be a cup. I grab it for it. Start it slow so flour doesn't go clopping. Let's add another cup. Lift up your nozzle. Okay, let's try some more flour.
Can I just dump this all in?
Yeah, dump it in. Now it says if it gets stiff, then you can add a teaspoon of it at a time of some water, and I usually do this time of the year, but you don't want a dry dough. So now you're gonna take it out. So now we're gonna roll out some cookies. We're gonna roll out that dough that you made so nicely. And so I like using a pastry cloth and the roller cover. So I just kind of like to do that and then get it in a little disc. You give it a try.
Okay. This?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Maybe do it this way.
How do you know how thick or thin do you want it?
Well, you can kind of see from the sides, and let's try a cutter. That's what I always do. So we get like maybe that orange heart. And just press it and you can kind of see. Yeah, because you always want to use your dough efficiently. Yeah, that's a nice thickness. Okay. Okay, so.
Okay, we're gonna cut some Valentine's Day cookies. These are from a cute set at Walmart.
Yeah, they have love.
Don't squeeze, just press down, no squeezing. Otherwise, a little shimmy to get it out, right?
Yeah, and then carry it over here.
And then you carry it.
And press it lightly. Yeah. So if you have leftover dough, which we probably will, it can go in the fridge and then just let it come to room temperature. We'll put them in the oven.
Okay. We are going to decorate some Valentine's Day cookies.
Okay, with your paint brushes, and this is as red as you get with natural food colors. This is how I like to decorate and how we did it in the bakery.
They have no artificial dyes.
The chocolate, I put in some sifted cocoa so it wasn't lumpy.
I'll put the directions for that in the description box, and you can watch her make that in our Christmas video if you'd like. Off to the races.
And then you can let it sit just for a minute and then you can add your sprinkles. We're marbling. A little fussy, but pretty.
Fussy? What does that mean?
Ornate.
What does that mean?
Ornate is highly decorated.
Oh, okay. We are going to pipe some decorations on our cookies.
Michael's has a great piping class, Wilton piping, that if you want to learn all kinds of techniques, it's a good class to take. Okay, and here, try this one. It's a number 2 tip. It's a little easier. Just don't squeeze hard because it'll come out faster than before. And to make a natural black, you use the blue and a really dark chocolate. And King Arthur has a website, and you can get like a black coal from Trousseau, and that makes a nice natural black. We were happily surprised that we marbled some of the frosting, and it turned out really pretty. We let them set overnight to make sure the piping was dry, and then we plated them up and put them in these cute little boxes for gift giving. Have a happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day.